She almost lost it. What happened? Hey! Any gas? Let's go get gas. Come on.
Where are we gonna get the gas?
Push it to the bottom over there.
They must have ran out of fuel or something.
It shouldn't be out of fuel. Hey, wait right there. I'll go get it for you. Yeah, it still runs out though. What up, big man? You coming outside?
No.
Huh? You got your good shoes on? Keep pushing, keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. That's how you get stronger, girl. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Push. Up, 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 up. You're losing it. You're losing it. Hold on. Let me help you.
I'll peek out the window the whole time.
Haley, hold that.
This is Daddy pouring stuff and gas in my bike, my motorcycle. Why did you pour gas? It did. Gasoline, I meant to say. The thing must be full. Spick and pan, full and ready. That's Christian, my brother.
okay? Stand up. Stand up. You okay? What hurt? Yeah, that's a part of it. Walk it off, walk it off, walk it off. Wait, let little guy get on. Get it, little guy. You want to try it? Easy. Walk near him. Walk near him. Oh, you got your good shoes on. Get up. You got your good shoes on. Get it, Allie. Go. Fucking girl's a rebel. She's a trooper, right? She's a mini me. She don't care. Look at her. She's ripping ass. What? Pick it up. You're good. You're good. Don't worry about it. Keep riding. Out. Let's just park it. Easy, easy, easy. Let's just check it out. Put the kickstand down. What happened?
It fell over.
I know that. You okay though?
Yeah.
Okay, put your kickstand down. Don't burn yourself.
I think the stick was stick.
What happened, little guy?
I think the sticks were her way. No.
You just slid to the mud, right?
Yeah.
That mud got her.
And her.
A little wet, muddy spot. Let's just look, make sure nothing's leaking.
A little dirty.
A little dirty's okay, just don't want nothing leaking. And we gotta clean this one off here. And it's not the dirt bike. The dirt bike you can get dirty, and the regular bikes. Was it fun though?
Yeah.
That's what you do when you fall, when you drop the bike. Get off, try to pick it up as quick as you can, okay? Okay?
Okay. Yeah. Before I do the fire.
Yeah, before you flood the carburetor. You don't want the gas to go in the carburetor and fill the carburetor up. Then you got a flooded carburetor and you don't want that. You won't be able to start the bike for maybe 20 minutes, an hour. You can't ride for a while. That's why if you pick it right up, like a trooper, then it doesn't get flooded out and the bike stays running. But if you sit there and cry about it, then the bike's going to get flooded, it's going to shut off, you're not going to be able to restart it. Alright?
Okay.
Learning?
Yeah.
Alright. Show me where the exhaust is, Allie. And what did I tell you about that spot?
Hot.
Hot and you can
Burn yourself.
burn yourself, that's right.
It might light your leg on fire and make it fall off.
You're funny little guy. What you call it?
You
Where's the
won't
gas
fall
tank at? Where's the seat at? Where's the engine at? Okay, how do you start the engine?
Pull this piece
With the pulley? How do you shut the engine off?
right there.
How do you go faster?
Press this. Press
Wait.
it a little bit, and then if you want to go faster, press it harder.
Yeah, say that again?
And this one, press it a little bit to go slow, and press it harder to go fast. And press this one to slow it down. And to brake.
And the brake?
And to stop.
And the stop. So you guys got your own custom chopper?
Yeah.
Yeah? Little guy, you learn how to ride?
Yeah.
Allie, you learn how to ride too, right? Or you got this?
I got it.
You got it already?
I got the feeling of it, but I just can't ride because I need flat gravel. I wish the whole. Son, could you do some construction on there, on the driveway? Because I want you to make the driveway look just like this part, so I could ride it better. Because it don't. And we want you to cover up the rocks too. That's what I mean. Take off all the rocks and put down all this.
Concrete?
Yeah. Concrete. And we have to pick all the sticks up too. So while he's bumping the end.
Pick up that broom. Pick up that broom too. Sit him up against the wall.
Daddy. You know who dug a hole over there?
Who?
I don't know.
I did. That was me digging.
I was just riding and it was boing. Boing.
Yeah.
I fell in. Want me to show you which hole I'm talking about?
I'm not going back over there now. I saw you.
Here.
I saw you. We'll go download this to the computer. Come on.
Oh, can I play on Mommy's computer?
Yeah, you can.
You can play on my laptop. My new stick is knocking dirt a bit. See? Let's calm down. Let's go. Daddy.
Hey.
Bring the camera right over here.
Upper block. Switch. Upper block. Switch. Right front left kick. Left front kick.
Left forward stance?
Yeah. Left forward kick. Good. Upper block. Switch. Upper block. Left forward stance. Left forward stance.
Not left fine.
Attention. Good.
You're so slow.
Attention.
Sir!
Good job. Good job. Love you guys.